Scene 1, market crashes. Scene 2, you lose everything. Scene 3, crucial. You shrug and tell yourself, well, I knew that was going to happen. Congratulations! You just fell into the "I knew it" trap, the bias that prevents you from learning, making you a perpetual, self-deceiving fake prophet. Hindsight bias is the tendency to see an event that has already occurred as more predictable than it actually was before it happened. Why? The brain wants to protect your ego. It's a psychological self-defense mechanism. Biggest consequence? We never learn from mistakes because we refuse to acknowledge randomness and surprise. Finance. You buy a junk stock, it collapses. You say, I knew it was risky, and you buy the next one identical to the last. Medical/legal. Professionals are judged too harshly because the complication should have been foreseen. This bias literally changes how your brain stores the original information. It's a personal history revisionist. Relationship example. You break up. You immediately rewind memories, highlighting every toxic sign you previously ignored. Hidden benefit? It helps us cope with the world's chaos, giving us a false sense of control. Real cost? It kills intellectual humility and stops us from seeking surprising factors. When a bad event occurs, the pain is lessened because I was already prepared for this. This reinforces the cycle. Self-protection leads to self-deception, which leads to no learning, which leads to repeated failure. 1. The decision journal technique. Log all your decisions. This is your weapon. Log data. Decision. Reason. Beliefs. Predicted probability. Specific percentage. 2. The devil's advocate technique. Always seek contrary evidence. 3. The pre-mortem technique. Assume failure right from the start. Imagine your project has failed miserably in 6 months. Publicly explain why. 4. The outsider view. Listen to the person unaffected by the outcome. Don't let hindsight bias make you right on paper, but constantly failing in reality. True learning begins when you accept the uncertainty of the past. Admitting you didn't know is the first step to becoming smarter. Share one of your "I knew it" decisions, and let's analyze what really happened. Like and subscribe to destroy psychological illusions.